Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to show you my twist on McDonald's Big Mac. Today our ingredients are going to be 1 pound of ground beef, American yellow cheese, 1 cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 4 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and instead of using the sesame seed buns, I'm using the brioche style hamburger buns. And we're also going to need some dill pickle chips. Okay, next guys, you're going to get your ground beef. And at this time, you can season it with the ground black pepper and salt if you like. I season mine with the black pepper and the adobo light salt. Then you're going to take your ground beef, mix it very well, and form them into balls. Now next, you're going to take one and put it on your plate. You want to go ahead and put it on top of parchment paper. After that, take another piece of parchment paper, lay it on top, and you're going to take your spatula and just smash it down. Smash it all the way down. You're going to do that for every burger. And this is what it should look like after you're done. Okay, next we're going to make our Big Mac sauce. So we're going to take our bowl, empty all our ingredients into it. Just like so. Then we're going to take our whisk and mix everything together. Let's see. I have to get a spoon to get all the mustard out. I'll be right back. Okay guys, as you can see, our Big Mac sauce is done. Next, we have our buns. We're going to have 1 top, 2 bottoms. We're going to heat our pan up with just a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to toast the buns. By the way, guys, I had left out, but we're going to need some shredded lettuce also. Okay, guys, I have our hamburger buns in the pan. And as you see, they're getting toasted. So we can go ahead and take them out now. Okay, guys, as you can see, I put the burgers in the frying pan, and we're going to go ahead and let them cook. Okay guys, the burgers are looking good. They're almost done. Next, put your American cheese on and let it melt like so. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and lay our buns out. This is the bottom. And go ahead and get some of the Big Mac sauce. Put enough on there. Go ahead and spread that out. Then we're going to get some shredded lettuce. Put that on there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get a burger and put that on. Okay, guys, we have our burger on there. Now we're going to go ahead and take another bottom of the bun, set that on top. Add some Big Mac sauce. I'm going to go and get another burger again. Okay, guys, I've added the second burger on there. Now to the top bun, I'm going to add the Big Mac sauce. Make sure you put enough on there. Okay, to the burger, I'm now going to add some pickles. And some shredded lettuce. And the top of our bun. Okay, guys, this is my twist on the McDonald's Big Mac. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Please come back, subscribe, and like. This is Nana the Saucy Chef.